Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "No doubt Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has made Makkah Mukarramah a sanctuary. It has not been legalized for anyone before me or after me to fight in it. It was legalized even for me only for an hour of a day. Its grass must not be uprooted, nor must its tree be logged, nor must its game be chased, nor must its find be picked up, but for announcing publicly." Hazrat Abbas bin Abdul Muttalib radiyallahu anhu submitted, "Except idkhir, as it is used by our goldsmiths and for the roofs of our houses." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Okay, except idkhir." Ikrimah said, "Do you know what is meant by chasing a game? It is to drive it away from a shady place and sit in its place." Abdul Wahab reported from Khalid, "For our goldsmiths and graves." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2090.